Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel. And to start my individual braids, I will use Shine and Jam on my roots and Cream of Nature argan oil throughout the rest of the braid. Then I just proceed to braid my hair down as normal. And once I get to the end of the braid, I apply a little bit more of the argan oil and I twist the end into a little curl. So yesterday it took me about 5.5 hours to braid my hair, and this is how much hair I have left to braid. And it took me about 2 hours to finish braiding the rest of my hair, and I have a total of about 80 individual braids. It's important that your braids are fairly small so that you'll be able to fit them into the faux locks. These faux locks are from the Mito store on Amazon, and they come with 4 packs of hair. The set comes with 84 locks. They are 36 inches in color number 30 or brown. The locks are also pre-looped and synthetic. The hair also comes with a crochet hook and hair jewelry. So to start crocheting my hair, I take a faux lock and open its pre-loop up with my finger like this. Then I use my crochet hook, open it and insert it underneath the start of my braid. Next, I attach the faux lock to the hook, close it, and pull just the top part of the lock through. Then I open the pre-loop some more and pull the lock and braid through the hole together. After that, I create a knot and tighten it by pulling on the braid and lock in opposite directions. Then I take my crochet hook again, open the hook and start inserting it into the center of the lock, but a few inches down from the start of the lock. And I push the crochet hook all the way through until it gets to the top of the lock. I grab my braid and pull that through as well by closing the crochet hook. I then twist up and down on the lock just to wrap the braid more and hide it better. And I just repeat this step until the braid is completely hidden in the lock.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. hesitate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance.
When I finally finished crocheting my hair, I had about 5 locks left, so I almost used all the hair. And this is the final look. I think the hair came out great, and the brown color is vibrant and pretty. It took me about 5.5 hours to crochet the hair, and I did it all in one day. And the locks are very long, as you can see. They come a little past my butt, and for reference, I'm 5'3". Now, you can see parts of my braids sticking through the locks, and that happens, but I actually wouldn't suggest this crochet method with these faux locks because they are really small and tight. That makes crocheting the braids into the locks much more difficult and time consuming. Some of my fingers were actually a little sore when I was done. But let me know what you guys thought of these faux locks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.